Melanie, and today I had the chance to try out the Nutri Professional Amazon list Brazilian Keratin Hair Smoothing System. And this is a do-it-yourself at-home Brazilian hair keratin smoothing treatment. Now, I've actually had keratin done before at a salon, and it cost me about 250 bucks. And the reason I had it done was because I bleach and fry my hair, and it has been pretty much destroyed. So keratin is found in our skin, our teeth, and our nails. So to put a replacement keratin back in your hair is supposed to make it healthier and stronger. So today you're gonna watch me unbox the kit and fumble my way through trying this product at home for the very first time. All right, boys and girls, let's see what's inside this box of the Amazon list Brazilian Keratin Hair Smoothing Treatment. Here we go. We have step 1, anti-residue shampoo. Step 2, the Brazilian smoothing treatment. I guess this is where all the magic happens right here. And step 3, the intensive repair mask. Woo. Along with an instruction guide here. Now, apparently I'm gonna need to wash my hair 3 times. I barely like washing it once, but you know what? I'm shooting this video for you guys, and hopefully it'll do something with my fried, damaged, colored hair. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna use step 1 and get all this grease and residue and gook and buildup out of my hair, and then we're gonna come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair with the step 1. I want to mention something about using this anti-residue shampoo. So it did not even really lather up in my hair. I was a little surprised. I really hope I did it correctly. I left it in my hair for 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. And I'm going to show you just what it looks like so you can see. It smells really nice. And that's the texture. It's kind of white and creamy. And I went through about four of these dollops in my hair, and it never quite lathered up. I'm also a little concerned that it might have stripped my hair, because residue shampoos have a tendency to strip colored hair. We'll see how it turns out after all is said and done, and if I need to, I'll just use a color mask at the end, but this is where we're at for now. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry my hair to about 85% done, so it says, and that's when I'm gonna apply the product. So far so good. It doesn't look like I lost too much of the color in my hair, but then again, like I said, it didn't really lather, so I don't even know if it removed the residue. Oh, I hope so. All right, now I'm gonna blow it dry. Okay, so I'd say that's about 85% dry. Problem is, my hair is so fried and damaged from bleaching that when it's like at this dryness level, I can't even really run my fingers through it because it gets caught on all the damaged pieces. So it's a little bit difficult, but all right, I'm ready for the next step. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gloves, and it says to section your hair into 6 sections. All right, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess I'll part it in the middle. And we'll start at the front, braid it or something. Right. I'll make another one here, kind of break it in half. I'll leave that one for the other side. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave this one because I'm gonna work on that one. So I'll just do this side instead. Okay, so now I have my sections. All right, next we are going to apply the Amazon list of Brazilian smoothing treatment. All right, so here we go. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like bubble gum, kind of. I like it. All right, let's do this. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. All right, now for the product on the hair, open one section of hair and apply the product on the upper and lower parts of the section. Use a fine-tooth comb to comb through the entire section. Comb from roots to ends, making sure the whole length is covered. Oh shit. my hair's falling out of the second part. Oh crap. Okay, there, I clipped it out of the way. I'm gonna do this section right here. And I got a comb here. And then it says, with the hair dryer set to cold air, dry the two sections without brushing. Repeat on all sides of the section. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna clip this one too. Okay, so I have my dryer here. Have it on the cool setting. All right, I'm gonna do this to all the sections now. Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay, so after a little while, oh my goodness, my eyes are starting to sting a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie. So there is something going on in here. Ooh, my eyes watering. I need to turn a fan on in here. Let's get this finished because this is really bothering me right now. Oh. I am not gonna touch my bangs, you guys, because this is too strong and I don't want this thing anywhere near my eyes. All right, I have it all through my hair. This stuff is no joke. The smell kind of fooled me because it smelled so good and so sweet. I didn't realize what kind of a punch it was gonna pack. Okay. So I'm gonna take a little shortcut, I think, because my hair takes forever to dry. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to blow it dry on cool until it's fully dry. But with my hair, that's gonna take friggin' 2 hours. So I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna blow dry each section, and then using my flat iron, it's set to the highest setting, which is 400. It does say to use a setting between 380 and 450. So mine only goes up to 400. So I'm gonna do it at that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry it section by section, and then I'm gonna use my flat iron on each section. So I think that'll help save a little bit of time. Take tiny sections and use the flat iron. Put it up. It's wet, as you can see. And I'm gonna blow it dry on cool. Still looks a little wet, but I don't know if that's just the product or if my hair is still wet. Before we get into the pretty damaged parts of my hair, you can kind of see the color. See where it's bright purple like that, and it's redder up here. The bright purple is where it was bleached and dried. Hopefully this will make a difference. It says to use your fingers. I'm using my brush, and that's too bad because, like I said, my fingers will not run through my hair because of how damaged it is. So make it work. Oh, okay. I gotta turn the fan back on. Sorry, guys. Now, I probably shouldn't have this so close to my eyes, right? Ugh. Ah, that emitted quite a bit of irritating stuff. It stung my eye. So I'm keeping it, I gotta keep it away from my face. All right, now let's do this piece. Finally, I think we're on the last section here. So let's get this done. Finish it off. Away from my face, away from the face. I think that's everything. Remember, like I said, I did not put it in my bangs. You do not want to put it in your bangs. The chemicals are just way too strong. They've irritated and burned my eyes many times throughout this process. And I'm gonna admit, my hair is so thick, it takes a really long time to dry. And I used the medium setting on the hairdryer too. I don't really understand why you can't if you're just gonna flat iron it in a minute anyway. But if I wasn't shooting this video, I would probably be taking a little more time with it, doing it in smaller sections. But you know what? Whatever, I don't care. After all that, guess what I get to do now? Rinse it out! And I have to get back in the shower, yay! So I'm gonna rinse this out, And then the third step is to apply the intensive repair mask. So at least I can get that done all at once and finish styling my hair. So I will see you in a few minutes. All right, so 2 showers and 3 towels later, I am done with the whole procedure. I put on a little makey so that I'm not as awful to look at right now. And I'm gonna take off the towel and we are going to finish styling my hair. Now I wanna let you know, when I rinsed the product out of my hair, the texture felt completely different. If I had to describe it, I would say it felt kind of bulky, thick, maybe even a little bit dry. It was quite surprising. And now I see why they tell you to use the intensive mask. I put a ton of that stuff in my hair. I left it on for 4 minutes and then I rinsed it out. The mask makes a big difference in the way your hair feels after using the product. So now I am just gonna go ahead and blow dry and style my hair, and we're gonna see the finished results. The way I have my bathroom set up, I have this little full-length mirror here, and then I have my sink mirror, which is what I'm kind of facing right now. So it's kind of nice. The way I have it set up is I can actually see the back of my hair while I'm doing this. And I wish I had set the camera up like this earlier because it would have made my life. Look, I didn't even flat iron this part, and look how smooth it is already. Not bad, not bad. I'm done. Let's look at the back and see what you think. I didn't lose any of the color, which is really fortunate. It feels super smooth when I run my fingers through it. And it's pretty shiny, which I really like. And I didn't use any product in my hair after using this treatment. So that's just on its own. So honestly, I'm actually pretty impressed with it. My hair is a lot smoother. The drying time was much quicker than it normally would when I just normally blow dry and flat iron my hair. Already pretty smooth before I flat ironed it. So that's kind of a big deal. And even though I thought I was cheating by using the hair dryer on a medium setting, when I put on my old lady glasses and I read in this little box here, you actually can use the hair dryer on a cool or medium setting, as long as you don't use it on hot. So overall, the treatment took me about, I wanna say 90 minutes in total. I thought I was gonna have to rinse my hair 3 times, but thank goodness I only had to do it twice, so I am very clean today. And the nice thing is about this product is that it lasts for about 4 months. And even though this kit is for 1 use, there's still enough in here that I could probably get at least 1 or 2 more uses out of it. So if you are interested in saving some money instead of getting keratin at the salon, you can get it yourself from the link below. I have a coupon code where you can save 15% by using my code below. So definitely check it out. Overall, I'm impressed with it. I hope you try it out. And if you'd like to see more product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel and check out the blog. Thank you so much for watching.